So first time I ordering this kind of thing. This is 50 liters. See? And packed. Quite heavy. But the lady that delivered here from the Star Trek, really strong. So there you go. Thank you, Fernand. But this is from Australia, local product. Owned by local, but I'm not sure by the name. It Kiwi Orchid Park. So must have been from the New Zealand. Yep, this is product from New Zealand. Wow, this is all the way from New Zealand bound to Australia. So yeah, but you have the local already here. And when you order the foreign plant, not sponsored by them, guys, just like a week or so. But actually, I expected this last week, next Friday, but no, the delivery Star Trek here. Instead of next Friday, they do it only in today. Really, really good. It just arrived 10 minutes ago. Thank you, Fernand. Very, very good. Quite heavy for 50 liters. Yeah. Couldn't find like this nice kind of bark in here locally. Sorry, all the way far away. Look at that. Yeah, so I'll mix it with the clay balls, which is I already have like 50 liters as well, way long time ago since I started. So yeah, that was so heavy and very, very hard delivery too, because the shipping is cost a lot. But I don't know, these days even more thing, I think, because everything is jacking up. So it looked like very, very good Orchiata bark mix. So I'm so satisfied with this one. Yeah, I guess if you're in Australia around here, you can order to Fernland. Yeah, I'm not sponsored by them. But I just try to help the small business here. We do. And I also have a Lavarax, so I mix it with Lavarax, the Orchiata bark mix from the Kiwi or from New Zealand. And also I mix it tiny bit of, you can put some nice lovely looking little rocks and Lavarax, and then I just put the clay balls as well. You don't have to. If you want, you just do like that. I think this is the biggest size that I put, maximum, I think. That's for the big orchid that's very healthy. The little one, you have to get the medium size or even smaller. But I'm happy for this, by the way. So it's nice. So I'm gonna put this one here. So I hope the orchids grow really well for this. Cheers. Kiwi bark. Shout out again to Fernland for the quick delivery, and also the Star Trek lady. Amazing. Very gorgeous.